See, friends, what's that? It's a bumblebee, right? This is a bumblebee. So we will do a song about the bumblebee. Now, I cannot give you my bumblebees because you are in your house and I'm in my house, but you can just put your hand like this and we'll pretend that this is your bumblebee. I'll put my bumblebee here and I'll say like this. This will be the beehive. This is the bees. I'll say, this is the beehive. Where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, bzzz, 2, bzzz, 3, bzzz, zip. Now I'm going to take my bee away and I'm just going to hide my fingers. This is the beehive. Where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of the hive. 1, bzzz, 2, bzzz, 3,